The Mission District experienced the spike in homicides, 7 in 2 weeks. On September 7, 2008, Mission District residents held a peace march. Shutting down 24th Street, they walked along the sidewalk holding candles.
We're going to be starting our march. We're going to be marching on the sidewalk, so please make sure you stay on the sidewalk and be safe. On behalf of Mission Education Project Inc. and Lower 24th Street Merchant Neighborhood Association, we welcome you. We are marching for peace in our community.
Erika, tú has visto muchas organizaciones que han estado trabajando en este proyecto.
Pues hay bastantes problemas, la ciudad no tiene dinero ahorita, esta violencia ahorita lo que tenemos ahorita ya son 12 y 13 muertes.
The church is closed, so permission to tow it?
Yeah, go for it. Like what? They want you to leave and a vehicle without a license plate.
More than quiet, it seemed like a time for neighbors to get to know one another.
For 2 weeks and on Christmas Eve was told, get off my land or I'll call the immigration. They didn't pay him a dime. These are not people without meaning.
Pro athletes.
So
connected in pro athletes.
we got a couple of